Open the glove box. Remove the damper cord from the glove box. Push in on the sides of the glove box to release the stops and lower the glove box. Unclip both sides of the housing cover to remove it. Remove the old filter from the housing and clean out any debris inside. Insert your new filter into the housing with its airflow indicating arrow pointing down. Reinstall the housing door. Reinstall the damper cord and raise the glove box. Partially close the glove box to re-engage the stops. Close the glove box.
Order your parts today at filterheads.com. Also, please like our video and subscribe to our channel so you won't miss any new content.